It's the first time I've ever done this myself. So we are going to attempt to do this. Well, good morning everybody. This is Dana with DC Ungelled. Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you stopping by. Today I am doing maintenance work on the bike. And I know it's not an adventure video, but just thought I'd document all the stuff I'm doing. But the major thing that I have going on with my bike is I've got a wobble between 35 and 50 miles an hour. If I take my hands off the handlebars, the front end just shakes. It's been going on for a very long time, but I figured since I had my new tires, and when I got my new tires and I got it balanced and all that stuff, and it would go away. It has not gone away. Either there's something out of whack with the balance and it didn't get done at all or properly or whatever, or there's something else wrong that I needed to take care of. My front fork was leaking, left hand side, and I fixed that with the seal mate, which I couldn't believe I actually fixed it. It stopped leaking. I'll show you the seal mate. I'm sure you guys all know about the seal mate. Could not believe this little thing could reseat the seals, and it did. It hasn't leaked in 3 days. I was going to make sure it wasn't leaking first. I've got some more fork oil. I'm gonna open up the fork and add a little bit more oil to it. I'm going to a place called Radiator Garage. They work on mostly Harleys and everything, but they've worked on my bike before. I'm slowing down here. Got my hands off the handlebars and watch the handlebars start to shake. See this? I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's extremely disheartening, extremely uncomfortable. So I am headed to the garage right now. My plan is to go on a trip next week to Garden of the Gods and the Gateway Arch National Park. Alright, we are done. Just got done at Radiator Garage, and they balanced the wheel. They also tightened the engine through bolt. Think that it's just normal engine vibration that's making this wobble, and hard for me to believe that the bike would have that much wobble in it at certain speeds, but we're gonna see right now. I guess I'm gonna have to live with it, I guess. Well, it's off to do the rest of the maintenance for the day. I'm going to continue my maintenance day. First thing I'm going to tackle is my radiator guard. It's a T-Rex radiator guard. Here it is. Pretty easy installation, and we are going to attempt this right now. Alright, first thing I got to do is loosen the bolt down here. Unloose the bolt. So this one. All right, we are going to start on the center stand now. I've watched the video a couple times. It should be a pretty straightforward install. Now that we've got the radiator guard on, here we go. Have to put these spacers right here. I got to put some grease on them, and put the bolt through. Put the grease on the spacer, the bolt. came with 2 springs. I'm pretty sure it's the bigger one. Okay, as you can see, the sun went down, and this maintenance day has turned into a 3-day maintenance day. Over the last couple, yesterday it was snowing, just for a little bit overnight, but we're back to it. Center stand is on. I got it finally hooked up, everything's good, and I am going to be doing the chain adjustment. We're going to clean the chain, and we're going to lube it. We're going to also do the fork oil that once I fixed the fork seal the other day, I need to add some fork oil to the left fork. So let's go. It's the first time I've ever done this myself. So first, gotta find the tightest spot. That's pretty loose, that's for sure. So we are going to attempt to do this on this side. 22 mil on this side. Seems like it should be good. I have measured from swing arm bolt to swing arm bolt, and this exact measurement. I have checked the measurements there on the markings on the bike. Now that he's on the chain adjustment, now it's time to clean and lube the chain. And I've been cleaning the chain. And what I did is I cleaned the sprocket down into the front sprocket guard. So the sun is setting on a second day of maintenance. You know, most of everything that I wanted to accomplish, I'm going to have to do the fork oil. I want to do that with Clark, so I don't really know what to expect. All I'm doing is trying to top off the oil. So I want to have someone else around to help me out. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back and see me in the next video.